friends, today I will make a bathtub. So let's start drawing. First I will make leather and then I will make bathtub. After that I will make curtains. And now I will make a fountain. And now I will make a thicker outline of it so that it looks more beautiful. So let's make it. Wow, this looks more beautiful. Now it's time to color it. First I will sky blue color and now yellow color, sky blue color, light pink color, orange color, dark orange color, and now yellow color. Wow! And now blue color. Woohoo! Light green color. She looks beautiful. Are you like drawing? And now light pink color. And now it's ready. Bye bye everyone. Hello friends. Today I will make a unicorn. So let's start drawing. First I will draw the unicorn eyes. After that I will do her hair. And now I will draw her face. Look, our unicorn is ready. I will make a thicker outline to make his shape more beautiful. So let's draw. Let's make it quickly. And now it's time to color it. First I'll red color, orange color, light green color and yellow color. Now light pink color, orange color, sky blue color, dark blue color and red color. And now light pink color. Our unicorn is ready. Bye bye everyone. Hello everyone, today I will draw a toothpaste, teeth and brush. So let's start drawing. First I will draw the toothpaste. Second I will draw the teeth. And now I draw his eyes. Look, he is very angry. And third I will draw the brush. And now I will draw the beautiful designs. And now I will make a thicker outline to make his shape more beautiful. So let's get ready quickly. Look, it's ready. And now it's time to color it. Dark pink color. And now sky blue color, orange color, and now the turn teeth, sky blue color, light green color, red color, yellow color, and look, now it's ready. And now I will draw the dots, stars and beautiful designing. This looks very beautiful. If you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye everyone.